Irish. I'm gonna cut them and put them in the oven. I'm making them off boil. Here I have my diced mango. And here I have my pineapple juice. So here I'm making some mango coconut pineapple chicken. Here I have the seasoning on it and the coconut milk to soak in the chicken. Okay, here I already diced my mango and the pineapple. Here I have the pineapple juice. And here I have the mango with some coconut milk in. I'm gonna blend it, pour in to season my meat. With a little pineapple juice in there and a little coconut milk. And then I'm gonna pour it out and season it. I'm gonna do the chicken in the oven with the juice inside. So here I pour the coconut milk, the mango juice on, let it soak. So I'm about to season it up now. I'm about to rub it in. Yeah, and let it soak. Let it marinate for like 30 minutes so it can soak, so everything soak within it. Okay. So I put on my little ginger powder, garlic powder, all-purpose chicken flavor, my thyme, my onion, my garlic, my regular garlic, and I'm leaving it to soak. Okay, and I have my Irish on half boiling, so I'm gonna dice it and put it in the oven. Yes, so here my coconut milk in there, my apple juice in there. Not my apple juice, sorry about that, my pineapple juice. You see, the mango, blend it and then to marinate. The mango is gonna be the gravy with the coconut milk, everything. And then I'm gonna put the pineapple and mango on top of it in there. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. Alright, bear with me. Okay. We're going to each other up because you know the beauty about it, we have a head. Yeah. We have a head. Yeah. So here I have it in the Jesus name. Me tell him say have sister and them something there. Me tell him. So here I put some Mrs. Dash on my Irish. I'm gonna make it half bake in the oven. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese on the top. So here I have my Irish half cooked. I'm gonna put it in the oven to get crispy. you have it, about to pour in the rest of the mango and stuff in there. Around the rim, get a little burn. Here I'm pouring in the mango and the pineapple. Give it a couple minutes more. Give it like 2 minutes for the mango to, marinate in it. So here you have the Irish crispy. So I'm sprinkling my season.
Mind passing me salt?
Here I'm sprinkling a little cheese on the top. Just giving it a couple minutes. So here I have some broccoli about to put in the pot. So here the pot on the fire. I'm waiting on the water to boil. So here you have the ending of my Irish.
Mommy.
So here you have the finishing of my coconut pineapple mango chicken. This is the finishing. Amen. So I'm waiting on the water for the broccoli. So here I have on the broccoli. Here I have the broccoli and cucumber. That's the vegetable tonight. So here you have the finishing of my coconut mango chicken. Coconut mango pineapple chicken. Coconut mango pineapple chicken with Irish and cheese, etc., etc. So I'm gonna let the taster taste it. So here you have Molly tasting.
Babe, it's really good.
Give them a thumbs up. Taste a little of the chicken.